of the ease of flying it. Kent is able to take the wings off this airplane, put all the parts and pieces into a trailer, and drive around the country, and he was able to drive up here rather than fly that. Little airplane does not have a lot of range, and you can imagine how long it would take him to get here coming out of Minot, North Dakota. And a big thank you to the firefighting forces out here. You can see them out front hosing down our pyro area. There's no known fire, but just as a precaution, they're wetting down the ground to make sure there's no smoldering embers or anything. All right, here comes Kent. There comes Nick in the truck. Let's see if he makes it on this third pass. Nick Wallenstein in the truck. Kent having to go high and fight the wind a little bit out here. He's got the distance right. There he is. Now, Nick has to be very careful that he doesn't suddenly stop and pitch Kent right over the front of that truck. All right, we've got both wheels in the stops now. Now Nick has to very carefully slow down so that the speed of the plane matches the speed of the truck, and Kent will put the rear wheel down. All right, it worked. All right. Kent and Nick talking to one another to make sure that they're in sync.
All right, you guys want to split some?
All right, Nick turning that truck around very carefully.